AyeBub's Car Life, and the car life is whatever you make of. And man, appreciate y'all clicking on this video right now. Today we just chilling. I'm gonna show y'all my old car. Well, I got 2 cars, so this is one of them. And I had this car for like 8 years or whatever, and I just want to show it to y'all. I might end up doing like more work to it and stuff like that to it. So I'm gonna just show y'all this car. Actually, it's one of my favorite cars, so I like it a lot, and I just want to show it to y'all. And I ain't gonna do too much talking right now because that's a lot of talking. But make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you hadn't joined the family right now, go ahead and join us right now because we're on the road and we got the journey to go. So this right here is my 07 Chevy Monte Carlo. As you can see, it's dusty. I got a couple of dents. It's dirty. I'm gonna just show it to y'all first. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see it. We need some new tires on there and everything. Got scrapes. I had this thing for 8 years, man. I'm telling you. I even took the license, turned the license plate in because I ain't driving it right now. But yeah, that's my other channel right there. Y'all go ahead and go and check that out too. But anyways, yeah, this is it. That tire's pretty good on there. I actually plastic dipped those right there, windows tinted. This car looked totally different when I first got it. Actually, if you go to AyeBub video, you would actually see that I had this car. It's one of my first videos on there if you want to go check that out. Yeah, this car is my baby. It's got a sunroof. And I don't actually want to get rid of this car. I actually want to just rebuild everything. I think I unlocked the door a while ago. It needs a new paint job and everything. So once I clean it up, it'll look way better than it does. This is my baby. I actually put them on there, put them SS on there, and I painted them. Like, did the white. I actually did the brake lights too. Like I done a bunch of stuff over time. Like that wasn't like it was. That wasn't black, but you can see same thing on the other side. And I put that on there. And it'll unlock the doors. It's actually dirty. I need everything cleaned in there. I don't have the keys, floor mats. It's actually been a good car. See, that eventually wore off. There's a lot of stuff I can do to this car. That came off because I have 2 12s in the back. I have some speakers. I'll show them to y'all. I got a whole bunch of change. I put a brand new deck in there right before I got my other car. I end up showing y'all in another video with that one. But yeah, flies and everything here. I got a bunch of junk in here right now, but everything, it's not too bad of condition, but I just want to show it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually do a build on this. I'm gonna do all kinds of stuff to it. Here, let me see. I'll pop the trunk for y'all, show y'all that. I have 2 12s back here. Have them in there. This little kickers. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Hey, but yeah, there's my 12s. I'm gonna watch out for them, that wasp nest in there. But yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, got these 12s kickers in the box, a 1200 watt amp right here. I actually got this for, I know some of y'all gonna try to be like, oh, this ain't good. But the price that I got this for, you'll never believe it. Matter of fact, comment below and tell me right now how much you think I paid for the box, the 2 speakers, and the amp. Or whatever. You'll never believe it. And I got some fog lights back there. You can see that I was gonna put in there. I got me a little toolbox back there or whatever. I was gonna eventually clean it. This is my old thing for the gear. But yeah, this car has been amazing to me. It still runs. I just need to do some work to it. Obviously, as you see, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it looks pretty. It's looking bad, but it's been an overall good car, and it still is. But I'm gonna close this back. But yeah, it's been an amazing car. Here, y'all heard this ticking? Y'all heard that? Y'all heard this ticking? It's actually in Monte Carlos and all like 05 and Impalas. It's the little air condition thing or whatever on this side. You just gotta take this down and there's a little thing over there. It costs like $10 to $15 to fix or whatever. But I'm gonna go get the keys and I'm gonna start. I thought I had my keys in my pocket when I unlocked the door, but I'm gonna go get the keys and I'll start it for you and let y'all hear it. Got the keys here. There we go. We'll get in here and start this thing up. See what she do. Still start up. I always come out here. And start it, let it run. I might drive it down this little road right here. Here's my pipes. Yes, sir. Try to get a little set. Let y'all hear it. Sounds pretty good. I got flow. I don't know if you can tell or see under there. I got flow master pipes. It look rusted up under there a little bit. We gotta do some work down there. But they flow master pipes, and then I got the Chevy tips on them. So yeah, they flow masters. I paid like, at the time I paid like $400. I'll let y'all hear my 12s. Let me see if I can't get some music going. Sorry for all that pecking. Right quick. Let me see if I can get this. Alright, the pecking went away. Let me see if I can't get this music going. Let me see. Once it starts, I'll come out. Hold on, I get it. I get the music going here so I can. Let's see if we can find the song. It's a little CD I got in there. Try to put it on song where you can hear the bass. Snap. Where's the music at here? Well, it ain't turned up right now, so. That's just me turning it up a little bit. Got a little bang in there. That's all I needed at the time. That's all the little music I needed at the time. It sounds a lot better on the inside. I just didn't want to play too much on the music on the inside. I'll let y'all hear it because I get copyright. But yeah, it's awesome. Stay tuned. Check your home screen, that's God calling. Yeah, but that's the music I got in there so far. Yeah, that's the. I'll try to see if my lights was out. I cut them out right, but yeah, that's the music I got in there, and reason why I'm showing y'all today. So stay tuned for some more videos on this car right here. I'm going to be doing some work to it. I need to get my rotors done, new tires, new seating. There's a lot of stuff that need to be done, but yeah. I'm gonna be doing like a build series or something like that on it. So I'm gonna be building that up. And I'm gonna show y'all my car, which is down there. I'm gonna show y'all in the video coming soon. So make sure you hit that like button right now for this video. If you like the Monte Carlo or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just tell me, do you like it? You think I should do a build on it? Hit that like button right now, and that'll let me know that I can put some more videos showing y'all what we doing to the Monte Carlo. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? And hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna show y'all more videos, more car videos. You might see cars, bikes, whatever on there. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the post notifications on for that. And I'm gonna show y'all in the next video. Hopefully the next video. If not, I'm gonna show y'all another. I'm gonna show y'all some more stuff. So please just hit the subscribe button and join the family. Alright, and y'all be safe out there driving, and I'll see you on the next car video. Yeah, what car we gonna see next?